Just another day in paradise. Another day in paradise. I'm gonna get in the water. The water is very clean and it's quite deep. So but I'm with my husband, so I don't think he'll let anything happen to me. Because if I die, his life is over too. Like, imagine his life without me. Jokes.
Look at me.
Of the restaurants where we had lunch. We missed the buffet, so we came here for lunch. It was amazing. Still. Now I'm going to take a shower and we're gonna prepare for dinner. You know? Okay guys, this is how big the island is. We are currently here and this is the main island. And we stay somewhere there. There's another island there. That one. Too big. Too big. That's how I feel like. Do you see how close it is to the beach? Love it for me. So let's go have dinner. This is my outfit. Hey, don't judge me. I'm tired of dresses. Anyways, we're gonna go have dinner, and when we come back, we're sleeping. Tomorrow is another day, another dola. So we're here to have dinner. It's the name of the restaurant. Cool. That's the bar. That's the restaurant. So this restaurant is the main restaurant in our island. Remember, there's 3 islands. So this is our island. And so dinner is from 1830 to 2000. please have vanilla.
Ice cream.
And would you like
Can we do chocolate? Thank you. Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Excellent, excellent.
Can I please have some watermelon?